Welcome to the fun part. What we're gonna do is we're gonna use some inline styling tools to make our website wacky as our volunteers. So I'm gonna let them take it away. And they're gonna show you what the end result's gonna look like and then walk you through step by step to get there.
Okay, so here's where we left off at the end of the last video. Here's where we want to get to. Notice that the link text right here is upside down. The image is upside down and all the colors are flipped. So we're going to learn how to do each of these things just for fun. As a little extra challenge. Okay, so I guess first let's flip the image over and flip the text over. How are we going to start to do that?
Can we go to the docs maybe?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Let's look at CSS properties. It's gonna be here. I'm not sure.
Is it?
I don't know if it's on there.
It might not be on
it's
here.
not?
I don't think
Okay.
it is. Chris just
Okay.
knows this in his head.
Okay.
Okay. So I remember the tag you mentioned was style, right?
Mhm.
Okay. So
So I'm gonna go all the way to the end here and add a new thing into this image tag. So you said style and then
equals.
equals. That was the wrong button.
And do we need the quotes here too?
So the quotes, and then it just added an end quote.
Okay.
Okay.
And how do we rotate this?
Okay, so we do transform : rotate, and then we make some parentheses and we do a semicolon.
Got
So
it. And what
just
goes in parentheses?
type this in verbatim. Type this in exactly as it's written here. Just this is how you rotate. And let's rotate it by 45 degrees. So what would we put in the
45.
45
DEG.
DEG, 45 deg for 45 degrees. Let's see what that looks like. Okay,
Oh,
cool. Yeah, sometimes you got to click it a couple
That
times.
looks so funny. I don't like it. It looks like my mom's scrapbook of my high school memories.
Oh, yeah.
what
Okay.
if you wanted to like do it completely upside down?
Okay. So do it completely upside down. A half circle is 180 degrees. So let's try that. Okay. Off to a good start. All right, let's flip the text over next. There's a little bit of extra steps to do that. So let's flip this over. How are we going to do that?
Well, first we need to make it like add the paragraph tag, right?
Okay, yeah. So I'm gonna just add P and the NP tag before and after. This basically just says, like, if we just run it now, it looks the same, but this lets us add more stuff, more styling to this tag. Okay, so what's next?
Do we add the same tag as before, like with the style? Okay.
Okay, so I'll add it to the starting tag of the P. So P style equals transform, rotate. So this is literally exactly what was at the end of the image tag right there.
Okay.
Just run. Oh, yeah. There it is. Click mirror this image.
Beautiful.
Okay.
Can you make it 90? Because I just want to see what it looks like. Or make it 90. Yeah.
Okay.
I have a question. I don't know if this is relevant, but I saw that after P style you put a dash, not an equals. Like, does it still work on line 13?
This is an equals. Probably just isn't showing up.
No,
Oh, it's an equals.
you're blind,
Okay.
Alexia.
Yeah, so
I got you.
style-
I'll get you some glasses.
Style
next time.
equals.
Sorry.
Okay, so I don't know why it put it right here for 90 degrees, but there it is.
I mean, that's
do
what I imagined.
170 degrees, so
Right.
it's just a little bit off.
Oh, wow. This is
just a
wild.
little unsettling. Yeah. Maybe I change this one to be a little more, maybe like 100, maybe like 200 degrees. So it's like a little bit just
I like it.
like
That
that.
is
Okay.
perfect. Leave it there.
So the last thing is adding one more style to the picture to flip all the colors, which means like, I think it turns like red into green, black into white, blue into orange or something like that. So how do we do that? Okay. So I like this one up. Okay,
It
so
starts with
this one,
it's an Instagram thing. Think of Instagram. What do you do to your images, Alekia? You
I
swipe
don't
it.
have. Wait, I do have Instagram, but I don't know how to use the filters on it. Sorry,
Yeah.
I'm too old.
okay, so it's this thing called invert. I literally found this because I was like, I Googled and I said how to invert colors image tag. And then, you know, part of being a good programmer is learning how to get really good at Googling stuff. And this says, don't worry about the syntax, but filter invert 1. Okay, so we're going to add that here in the style. So after the semicolon, but still inside of the quotes, because like this is just more style that we're still adding to the image. And say,
So can you have more than one style?
yeah,
Like an image? Okay.
yeah. There's different ways to apply styles, but inside the style equals, you can, I think you can add as many as you want. So like if you want to change like font size, font color, things like that. So you filter colon invert, and it just said to do invert 1. And there we go. And now it looks even worse. So
It's,
yes, it's a little
we should
bit extra
call
credit.
it hideous wreck. Hideous wreckamus is what the new tab of this website should be.
Like is ruined me.
Least favorite meme now.
Least favorite meme. And then if we open, like is least favorite meme, and now that link is all the way over there.